Hey everyone, is your car refusing to shift gears properly? Are you experiencing transmission warning lights or rough gear changes? If your obd2 scanner has shown the P0812 error code, it means there's an issue with the reverse input circuit, and that can lead to serious transmission problems. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0812 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0812? The P0812 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects a malfunction in the reverse input circuit. This system is responsible for ensuring smooth engagement of reverse gear in both manual and automatic transmissions. If this circuit fails, you might experience reverse gear issues or even complete transmission failure. Symptoms of P0812 include reverse gear, not engaging or slipping, harsh shifting when selecting reverse check engine light, CEL, or transmission warning light, delayed response when shifting into reverse. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the key components causing this issue. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0812, check these critical components. Reverse input switch, reverse light switch. Location, mounted on the side of the transmission housing, usually near the gear selector or shift linkage. Function, detects when the driver shifts into reverse and signals the ECM/TCM, transmission range sensor, TRS. Location, near the shift linkage or inside the transmission case, depending on the vehicle. Function, detects the current gear position and sends data to the ECM/TCM, Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, usually found near the battery, inside the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Function, manages gear shifts and ensures smooth reverse engagement. Engine Control Module, ECM. Location, typically near the firewall, inside the engine bay, or under the dashboard. Function, works with the TCM to ensure proper reverse gear functionality. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the reverse input switch, TRS, TCM, and ECM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wires can cause incorrect readings or communication failure. Common causes of P0812, faulty reverse input switch. A malfunctioning switch can prevent the TCM from detecting when the car is in reverse. Damaged transmission range sensor TRS sends incorrect gear position data leading to shifting issues. Wiring issues or corroded connectors. A short circuit or open circuit in the wiring can cause false signals. Low or contaminated transmission fluid affects hydraulic pressure, making gear engagement rough. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, fails to interpret reverse input signals properly. Faulty ECM, improper communication between the ECM and TCM can result in incorrect reverse gear activation. How to fix P0812? Step 1. Check the reverse input switch. Use a multimeter to test for continuity when the reverse gear is engaged. Replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transmission range sensor, TRS. Ensure it's reading the correct gear position. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Check transmission fluid levels. Ensure the fluid is clean and at the correct level. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or loose connections, especially near the transmission harness. Step 5. Test the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Scan for additional fault codes related to shifting issues. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the P0812 code and verify that the issue is resolved. Final words. A P0812 error in the reverse input circuit can cause reverse gear failure, rough shifting, and transmission warning lights. By checking the reverse switch, TRS, fluid levels, ECM, TCM, and wiring, you can diagnose and fix this issue properly. Watch these related videos next. P0490 exhaust gas. Recirculation, EGR, control circuit high P0491, secondary air injection system control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.